An inclined plane with the following details is shown in figure below. W, weight of the body. Alpha, angle which the inclined plane makes with the horizontal. R, normal reaction. Mu, coefficient of friction between the body and the inclined plane. And phi, angle of friction such that mu is equal to tan phi. Then the minimum force P1 required to keep the body in equilibrium when it is at the point of sliding downwards is obtained as. Okay, here W is the weight of the body. This weight can be resolved into two components, that is W cos alpha and W sin alpha. And W cos alpha is equal to normal reaction R1. Okay, by resolving the forces along this inclined plane, we will get P1 is equal to W sin alpha minus mu R1. That is P1 plus mu R1 is equal to W sin alpha. R1 is W cos alpha. By substituting this value, P1 is equal to mu into W cos alpha is equal to W sin alpha. Okay. Here P1 is equal to W sin alpha minus mu W cos alpha, and by taking W as common, sin alpha minus mu that is tan phi cos alpha, W into sin alpha minus tan phi is sin phi by cos phi cos alpha. By solving this, we will get W into cos alpha in the denominator, cos phi in the denominator, sin alpha cos phi minus sin phi cos alpha. This is equal to W divided by cos phi into sin A cos B minus cos A sin B form, that is sin alpha minus phi. And our option A is the answer. W divided by cos phi into sin alpha minus phi.